We are going to learn lesson number 10, Venn diagram. To express the relation among various items, we may represent them pictorially by means of diagrams. So these diagrams are known as Venn diagrams. Means students, we all are knowing that in our surroundings animals are there, trees are there, then fruits, vegetables. So we are knowing it in differently, means they are in different categories. We can make the categories like animals, means tiger, lion, then giraffe. We are knowing this. Then if when we say vegetables, means we can say onion, potatoes. When we say tell the names of fruits, then we immediately say that mango, banana, grapes. So we all are knowing these are having different categories. So animal is having different characteristic, then human beings are having different characteristics, means all are in different category. So we come to know what is the difference between animals, what is the difference between human beings, what is the difference between fruits and vegetables. Okay, we can recognize, we can understand. So these are having different categories. But if we ask this type of question in the exam, we can show by this way also. For that, we'll see first example here. Cow, elephant and animal can be represented as shown. Since cows and elephants are two separate classes, so these have been shown by two different circles. See, here three circles are given. In first circle, it is shown animal. Okay, we know that cow is also animal and elephant is also animal. But cow is having different characteristic and the elephant is having different characteristics. Although they have 4 fingers, then means many things are same. But cow is pet animal and elephant is wild animal. So somehow, somewhere they are having different characteristics. So that is why here it is shown in two different circles. So cow is different and elephant is different, but both are animals. So that is why they have shown in one circle. So example 2 will see father, brother and sister can be represented as shown. Since some but not all brothers are father and some fathers are not brothers. So this is represented by intersecting circles. Okay. So father here given in one circle, brothers given in one circle, but sister is given in the third circle and it is not related with the father and brother, because brother can be fathers also and fathers can be brothers also. So that is why father and brother has shown they are intersecting circles, but sister is totally different. So these are not having same characteristic. Sister cannot be brother. Sister cannot be father. So that is why sister is shown in the different manner, different circle. But some fathers can be brother also, and some fathers can be brothers also. But all fathers are not brothers. All brothers are not fathers. So that is why father and brother, these circles are intersecting. So two examples have been solved for you. We are going to learn some questions. In each of the following, tick the diagram which represents the best relationship between the given items. See here students, we have got here three options: India, Lucknow and Allahabad. Okay, so we are knowing that Lucknow is one city of India and Allahabad is also one city of India. So India, it should be a main circle, but Lucknow is different city and Allahabad is different city. So that is why A is a wrong answer, because it has shown different circles. B is also wrong answer, because Lucknow and Allahabad, they both are not intersecting with each other. Lucknow is totally different city and Allahabad is totally different city. C1 is also not correct answer, because in India these both cities are there. India is a, what we can say, India is nation, yes, and in that nation these two cities are there. So that is why our correct answer is D, that our big circle means India and one circle is Lucknow and the other one circle is Allahabad. Got it? Second one, men, doctors and women. So our A answer will not be correct, because men and women both can be doctors. But here in our first option, only two circles are intersecting. Okay. So our A answer is wrong. B means it has shown means all are doctors, means all men are doctors, all women are doctors. So it is not there, because some are engineer, some are teachers, means all women and all men are not doctors. Okay, so that is why B also wrong answer. C is the correct answer, because doctors means maximum peoples are doctors, but in that some people are men and some are women. Correct? So that is why C answer is correct answer. Some are doctors in the men and some are doctors in the women, but the remaining one are engineers, some are housewife, or some women are we can say they are teachers also. Means many things, many professions are there, not only doctors. So that is why C answer is correct answer. Third is animals, humans, trees. animals, humans and trees. Sorry. So animal is also part of our surroundings. Humans also is part of our surroundings, and trees also a part of surroundings. Okay. So animal is not on huge quantity. Got it? See, we are looking at the A answer. Animals are not in the huge quantity. Humans are not in the huge quantity. And trees also not in huge quantity. Means in the A option what they have given, one is bigger, second is depending on the first one, and third is depending of the both of them. But it is not like that. So that is why A answer is wrong. B is also wrong answer, because trees are having different characteristics, humans are having different characteristics, and animals also having different characteristics. So B is also wrong answer. D also will be wrong answer, because animals doesn't come under the humans and trees, or humans doesn't come under the animals and trees. All are having different characteristics. So that is why C is our correct answer. Human is total difference, animals are total difference, and trees are total different. So C is our correct answer. Fourth, city, India, moon. A will be the correct answer, because in India there are many cities. So that is why inside circle means city, outside circle means India, and moon we can see by our India. Means moon is a different characteristic, and in India there are so many cities. That is why outside circle is India, inside is city, and the separate circle means moon. So that is why A answer is correct answer. So B is wrong, C is wrong, and D also wrong. Got it? Next, cats, dogs and pets. So we all are knowing that cats also pets and dogs also pets. So what will be the correct? A will be correct answer. What do you feel? A will be the correct answer. No. Because some dogs are not cats, or some cats are not dogs. Because in the A, both the circles are intersecting. So that is why A is wrong. But B will be the correct answer, because dogs and cats both are pets, and dogs are showing in different circle, because dogs are having different characteristics and cats are having different characteristics. So that is why B will be the correct answer. Mangoes, grapes and pears. Mangoes, grapes and pears. So students, what do you feel? What will be the correct answer? In a circle, it has shown that all three are intersecting. We know this all three are fruits. Mango also fruit, grape is also fruit, and pear is also fruit. So what do you feel? Now we have solved 4 5 questions. So what do you feel? What will be the correct answer? What will be the correct option? See, as we solved some questions, we come to know mangoes are having different characteristics, grapes are having different characteristics, and pears are having different characteristics. That is why A answer is wrong. B also wrong. So our correct answer will be C. Okay. Because you know very well than me. Grapes are very small fruit. Mangoes very big fruit. Means mango is bigger than grape. Pear is bigger than grape. So all are having different characteristics. That is why our answer correct option will be C. Thieves, judges and animals. So what do you feel? What will be the correct answer? Thieves, judges and criminals. So whatever mistakes are done by thieves or whatever mistakes are done by criminals, so everything will be solved in the court. Okay. So we will find our correct answer. What do you feel? A will be the correct answer? Thieves, judges and criminals. You can imagine also thieves, judges and criminals. So I feel that A is wrong answer. B is also wrong answer. C is also wrong answer. D is correct because criminal peoples can be thieves also, or thieves can be criminal also, but judges are different. That is why D is our correct answer. I think so all of you understood these 3 lessons. You can solve next questions also. I have given you some examples. I have shown you some examples here. You can solve yourself next remaining questions. This is your homework. So thank you everyone. Solve your lesson number 8, 9 and 10. Bye bye.